Hey YouTube, it is Corey Joe here with another video. This time we're going to do something a little bit different. We're doing BB guns. As you can see here, we have got a G11 airsoft gun. There's the packet. It says G11 on the bottom. It was £8. Probably the wrong way around to do it. So, yeah, the mag holds 7 bullets. This one's loaded already, so it has 8 bullets in it. We're just going to show you the damage that this gun does. It has just gone through. Smacked a couple of holes in the back of the box. The other holes are just from when I was playing around with the gun before. But I've got 2 of them as I lost the box for the other one. So the box that I just showed you has another gun in it. So as you can see, the mag only has, probably can't see it, no you can't, but the mag has 2 bullets in the moment. Refill it, get back up now. So I just thought I'd do something a little bit different for once, do BB guns. To put the mag back in, there's a button there that you press to let the mag out, and the mag goes halfway in like that, and you press the button and it goes, and you can slide it in like that. Ah, it keeps falling out like that, and then press the button, slide it in, let go of the button, and it's in, ready to fire. Just lock it like that. Probably has 2 bullets in it now. Yep. No. It's got a weight in the back, if you can see. No, you can't see inside that. There's a weight just there, just at the back of the mag, where the mag goes. Yep. Putting 8 back in the gun. So the mag only holds 7. Load it, put the bullets back in, you got 8 bullets in. So, yeah, I thought I'd just do something, change. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. Comment if you want more videos like this, and see you later guys.